the things that he has already said, the things that he reinforced on Sunday, and then the sweet, because you know every prime minister has to come with something on a moment like that. So he said, look, tertiary students ride free on state-owned JUTC buses for 2 months. Then he said that, look, dangling something for those in Western St. Andrew, Riverton, which is Tony Hilton's backyard.
Yes.
And he had some other things that he sprinkled on the table.
Yeah.
Do you think that on messaging, the PNP has to be very particular and precise given the quality of the JLP's messaging, or you don't think the government's messaging is of high quality at all?
I wouldn't have used those examples you used because the announcements regarding communities surrounding Riverton City, those announcements are electorally mute. There's no way that's going to switch Western St. Andrew to the column of the Jamaica Labour Party. So that fell on deaf ears in a practical election day manifestation. The sprinkling regarding tertiary students riding free. There was a time when tertiary students not only rode free on JOS, but rode free into their faculties, into their programs of study, into their degree programs. When tertiary education in this country, under the Michael Manley administration of the 1970s, was totally free. Not 2 months. See one little 2-month carrot here, you're going to ride.
But that was what Manley did. Is Golding poised to do something similar? Is the point that you'd have to make to complete the circle on that point?
No problem, and I can complete that circle because yesterday as well, in Christian Penn, I met a Jamaica College student who is performing admirably, and he will be the first of his family to go to do medicine at the University of the West Indies. So he's the first that will get into a tertiary institution. And when Mark Golding is Prime Minister, his tuition would be totally free for the first in family, which is longer than 2 months free ride on a bus from halfway tree up to Papi.